Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Today our group will discuss the future application of bioinformatics in agriculture and crop improvement. Let's look briefly into what we are going to cover today, starting with the introduction, role of bioinformatics in agriculture, recent advancements, tool development, application to agriculture, future perspective, conclusion and references. As the world's population grows, so does that enormous demand for food. Nowadays our agricultural land is limited. This is an excellent opportunity to implement innovative technology to address the supply-demand imbalance. Furthermore, it is dealing with time to assist the research community by developing the advanced tools and technologies that will allow the final product to be delivered quickly without jeopardizing its performance. The latest advancements in agricultural bioinformatics successes and prospects have been covered in this review article. Why do we need to understand the importance of bioinformatics in agriculture? In the agricultural industry, bioinformatics have been used to expand the current understanding of various plant functions, protect plants against harmful stressors, improve plant quality for human consumption, and broaden current knowledge of these plants. We now have significant database development and management sources that regularly share their data and information in order to deliver the best information to the user. The construction of databases and the administration of large amounts of data for public use has become a cornerstone in the advancement of informatics expertise in agricultural science. Epigenomics, metagenomics, metaproteomics, and metabolomics are some of the new fields that have emerged as a result of specialized database and improved computational tools. The human genome sequencing effort has also expanded this field by gathering and combining massive amounts of data. Users of the databases are as follows: NCBI to develop new information technologies to aid in the understanding of fundamental molecular and genetic mechanisms. DDBJ as a member of INSDC, it collects nucleotide sequence data and makes it publicly available. EMBL carry out basic molecular biology and molecular medical studies.
Next, I'd like to discuss about our topic, future application of bioinformatics in agriculture on a perspective, tool development and application. Tool development occurs when there are new technologies join the market. These improve the process of storage and organize data to make data more structured, reachable, updated, and can be cross-referenced easily. When there is more and more data of agriculture knowledge, this will necessitate the development of tools that can be utilized. There are some important tools and applications that can be used in future agriculture. Firstly, BLAST algorithm, which is full name Basic Local Alignment Search Tool, is algorithm and program used for comparing primary biological sequence information such as amino acid sequence of proteins or nucleotide of DNA or RNA sequence. BLAST also used in similarity searches. Next, protein structure prediction tools includes firstly, Modelo, which is a computer program used for homology modeling to produce models of protein tertiary structures and quaternary structures. ITASO is a hierarchical approach to protein structure, predict and structure-based function annotation. SysModel is a totally automated protein structure homology modeling server to make protein modeling accessible to all life science researchers worldwide. Look at the Genome Browser. UZC Genome Browser is an interactive website offering access to genome sequence data from a variety of vertebrate and invertebrate species and major model organisms, integrated with large collection of aligned annotations. JBrowse improves structural variance and comparative genomics visualization with linear, circular, dot plot, and synteny views. Ensemble, and to provide a centralized resource for geneticists, molecular biologists, and other researchers studying the genome of our own species and other vertebrates and model organisms. For gene annotations, the Arabidopsis Information Resource (TIR) maintains a database of genetic and molecular biological data for the model Hyophran Arabidopsis thaliana. Secondly, the database for annotation, visualization, and integrated discovery, DAVID, provides a comprehensive set of functional annotations tools for investigators to understand biological meaning behind large lists of genes. Next, Web Gene Ontology Annotation Plot, WGO. It's a simple but useful tool for visualizing, comparing, and plotting gene ontology annotation results. Their other tools include tools used in gene prediction, used in molecular marker discovery. There's also network of pathway analysis tools, structure visualization tool, drug discovery tool, NGS data analysis tool, small RNA data analysis tool, and lastly, small RNA data analysis databases. Look at the application to agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our economic country. Firstly, the use of bioinformatics assists plant biologists to postulate new hypotheses and developments. Secondly, it used in developing variety of plants that has high resistance to insect pests to make sure the output of agriculture crops. Then, apply in genome-wide associate studies (GWAS) analysis. They use in genetics research to associate specific genetic variations with particular disease. Fourth, apply in transcriptomic analysis of stress response genes in different conditions. 5. Biofortification, which is the idea of breeding crops to increase their nutritional values. And lastly, understanding the protein interaction and redirecting the role of SNPs.
Next, let's moving on to the future perspective. Firstly, bioinformatics is a game changer in terms of accelerating the research and development process. This is because bioinformatics makes scientists able to submit, search and analyze information in a more accurate and efficient way. For example, lots of tools and applications can be applied, like BLAST algorithm and gene annotations, as Jashan mentioned before. Secondly, farmers will profit more from advance in agricultural bioinformatics research and increase crop output in the form of income and health. Thirdly, we will be able to impact our society with a better prediction algorithm, advanced computing facilities, and a better understanding of the elements that influence crop output and productivity. And for lastly, since the pest will always be the top-notch problems to the farmers, thus there is a way to relieve the stress on the said measures, which is insect pests and disease infestation forecasting technologies that automate and anticipate the upcoming seasons. This weather-related forecasting methods is done by collecting a series of data like precipitation, temperature, sunshine, relative humidity, leaf wetness, wind direction, and speed, using mathematical models and computing programs in bioinformatics to analyze it. This forecasting methods database used is called SIPRA. The result can be used to predict the development of pests and crops. Moving on to the conclusions, bioinformatics is the research, development, or applications of computational tools and approach for expanding the use of biological, medical, behavioral, or health data, including those tools and approach to acquire, store, organize, archive, analyze, or visualize those data. Applications of various bioinformatics tools and databases enable analysis, storage, annotation, visualizations, and retrieval of outcomes to help enhance understanding in living system research. Thus, it will help to improve the plant quality based on healthcare disease diagnosis. Lastly, the major challenge for future bioinformatics development is to develop tools for the elucidations of the functions and interactions of all gene products in a cell. Moving on to the next slides. Here's are some references we use in our slides. Here's are our group members. Thank you for watching.